Critter Trade's here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Cobra SC400D, and this is Cobra's top-of-the-line dash cam, and it's got a whole lot of features packed into one, and the camera is really awesome on this thing. It's a 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera. You can purchase it just with the front camera if you'd like, or you can get the package with the rear camera like I got. And you can also add on a interior camera facing towards the driver as well. So it can be a 3-channel, 2-channel, or a 1-channel dash cam. The best thing about this camera is that it really rivals something like a GoPro's quality. The 4K camera is really awesome on this. And the reason I'm saying that the 4K camera is really awesome on this is because there's a lot of cheaper foreign dash cam companies that will say that their dash cams are 4K or 2K, for example, but really they're just upscaled 1080p resolutions or 2K resolutions, and this is a true 4K resolution. It's really obvious when you put this up and start looking at the video at 4K. You can see all these really tiny details that you will not be able to see on 1080p. And the biggest benefit of that is obviously you can see license plates at a much further distance, and you have a lot more detail and really crisp video quality. So the second best thing about this camera, besides the awesome video quality, is that it gives you access to this DriveSmarter community through the DriveSmarter app. What you'll do is you'll download the DriveSmarter app, and it can display on the screen if there's speed traps coming up or police officers that are watching for speeders on the side of the road that other people have submitted that also use the DriveSmarter app. So it's a community that works together and allows you to see speed traps, red light cameras, those sorts of things, and it will give you a real-time heads up of those locations. So it adds in that user safety to try and give you a heads up on things that are coming up on the road. And the other really cool thing that you can do with it too is that you can use the screen here. If you pair it with the DriveSmarter app or Alexa, you can use it to put directions up here, and so it will say turn left at this intersection. It uses the GPS, it puts it up on the screen for you to see, and it's really nice if you have an older car that doesn't have a big touch screen with GPS on it already. You can throw it in an older car and you can get some really awesome heads up directions for where you want to go. And then the Cobra brand is a really well-known brand. They have a sister company, Escort, and this uses a lot of the shared technology in it. And again, the video quality is just so good, and that's what's so awesome about this camera. It is a little bit on the pricier side. It runs about $300 depending on if you get it with a second camera or a third camera as well. There are some really good sales on it, and if you do want to check out a link in the description to purchase it. And then the app that comes with this, again, the DriveSmarter app, is really awesome for getting video off of your dash cam. A lot of these cheaper dash cams have really poorly made apps, or they have apps that a lot of different companies and different brands use, and so they're kind of generic and don't work very good. But the DriveSmarter app, you can get your pictures and videos off here super easily. You can also change a lot of the settings on the dash cam through the app, so that's sometimes a little bit easier. It does have a really nice big touch screen on it, which is very easy to use, and go through the settings. There's no issues there. Any feature you would want in a dash cam comes in this dash cam. Parking mode, G sensors, the GPS option is really nice to have too, and you can actually link up the GPS location with the video on the app, so it can show you where you were while you were driving, like simultaneously with the video, which is kind of a cool feature to have. But overall, this Cobra SC400D, really awesome dash cam. This is like a top-of-the-line dash cam in terms of how good the camera is and how awesome the app is that works with it. It's just very seamless. And then having the navigation ability is actually really a cool feature too. Comes with all the wires you need in the box, and it actually has a glare filter on the lens. So if you rotate this to change how much glare, to help prevent the glare from happening on the roads. So make sure you adjust the glare settings as well when you first get in. But overall, really awesome camera. This is like a top-of-the-line dash cam, like one of the best out there. If you have any questions about how to set it up or any of the features involved on it or how it works, just post them in the comments and I'll answer those for you as well.